Assalamu alaikum. With another lecture of English grammar, I'm here. Today, we will try to learn the correct writing, how can we write correctly, and how can we speak accurately. There are some nouns which have same singular and plural form like sheep, deer, fish, pies, yoke, Solomon. We never use s with them to make them plural because sheep is singular and sheep is also plural. If we use it singularly, this is a sheep, or in plural form, there are many sheep in the herd, not sheeps. Sheeps would be wrong grammatically. Single, if we use it singular, this sheep, plural, those sheep, that sheep, those sheep, that fish, those fish, but rarely fishes, the word fishes is also used in some expressions. This Solomon, this deer, those deer. Secondly, there are some nouns: dozen, thousand, score, stone, brace, yoke, 100, stone. If we use numeral adjective, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on, so forth. If we use these numeral adjective with them, we will not use s with these words to make them plural. But if we don't use numeral adjective with them, they can be used in plural form using s with them. He has 2 dozens of books. Numeral adjective 2, dozen with s, 2 expressions. This is wrong. This sentence should be written, he has 2 dozen of books. Or we may use this word dozen in another expression, he has dozens of books. I have 5,000 rupees. Again, 5 and 1,000. It should be, I have 5,000 of rupees. Or, I have thousands of rupees without numeral adjective. Thousands of people throng to watch the leader. We use thousands as plural with s, but as there is no numeral adjective, so we are allowed grammatically to use plural if there is no numeral adjective with these words. Like 3 scores, wrong, it should be 3 score. 2 braces, wrong, it should be 2 brace. 4 yokes, wrong, it should be 4 yoke. 10 stones, wrong, it should be 10 stone. But there is an exception to this rule. This rule cannot be applied to pair. Pair has singular as well as plural form, irrespective of the numeral adjective, whether we use numeral adjective with pair or not. He has 6 pairs of socks. We use numeral adjective and use pairs. He has many pairs of socks. Both are correct. Now, there are some nouns which are always used plural, like clothes, police. I must buy some new clothes, not cloth. Police are investigating the case. Police, apparently it is singular, but it is plural in function. So, we use plural verb with police. There are a number of instruments which have 2 parts. They are plural, so take plural verb with them. Bellows, binoculars, glasses, pliers, pincers, scissors, shears, spectacles, tongues, scales, and so on. Bellows are used to blow air. Binoculars are used to look at distant object. My spectacles need repair. Scales are used to measure. Pliers are used to bend. They are plural. having two parts, instruments having two parts are plural. But be careful. If we use an expression, a pair of, with these words become singular and we use singular verb with them. I have bought a pair of glasses. A pair of bellows is used to blow air. A pair of binoculars is used. A pair of spectacles is lying here. A pair of scales is used to measure. A pair of pliers is used to bend. Now, cloths and other instruments like trousers, pajamas, shorts, pants, tweezers, gloves, shoes. These are also plural. My new trousers are not so attractive in color. But if we use the same principle, a pair of, they will become singular. This pair of trousers is new. The pair of scissors is not sharp. Caesars have always given him a sharp cut, both singular and plural. Independently, they are plural, but when we use an expression, a pair of, they become singular, so singular verb is used. Now these are the words: arms in the meaning of weapons, damages for compensation, greens for vegetables, grounds for reasons, outskirts, adjoining areas, pains, trouble, or if efforts meaning particulars in the meaning of details, premises in the meaning of quarters, area adjoining your jurisdiction, under your jurisdiction, riches, savings, stairs, surroundings, valuables, they are always plural and they take plural verb. Thank you very much. Keep watching YouTube channel. The address is in front of your screen, and do like my Facebook page. Thank you very much.